In a move straight out of science fiction, China has just stunned the world with the unveiling of its first-ever robot powered by a human brain. Yes, you heard that right. Scientists at Tianjin University have successfully fused lab-grown brain cells with robotics, debuting a humanoid machine that can move, react, and think using real biological tissue. Presented at the Fair Plus Fair, this groundbreaking innovation represents a massive leap forward in the merging of artificial intelligence with human biology. As the lines between man and machine blur, the question now isn't just what robots can do, but what they will become. They moved, spoke, expressed emotions, and reacted to people with such precision that they often caused slight confusion. Is it an actor or a machine? Some visitors admitted that they felt chills when the robot looked them directly in the eye, smiled, and maintained the coherent conversation. These machines not only copy behavior, but also imitate consciousness. After visiting the exhibition, one has the feeling that China is consciously building a future in which robots will become an integral part of society. Robots that played musical instruments, kitchen robots that served tables, guard robots that patrolled the enclosure, and even psychologist robots capable of maintaining a simple emotional conversation. In separate rooms, you could see how the machines learn to work in schools and hospitals, helping children with special needs or caring for older people. All this is already being implemented in the testing phase. But perhaps the most impressive thing is the general level of organization and magnitude. Each stand is not just a technology showcase, but a demonstration of true technological superiority. China has shown not only that it has the technology, but that it knows how to implement it quickly, massively, and effectively. The reason why Beijing wins the world road race so safely is simple. The state, science, and companies act here as a whole. While Western countries sink into agreements and caution, China builds real cities where robots work, patrol, heal, and teach. The culminating point was a live demonstration of numbers of show, where dozens of robots danced in sync, interacted with the public, spoke of themselves, and even recited poems. It did not seem like a number of public relations, but a true theatrical representation of the future. Fair Plus 2025 in Shenzhen has shown that China not only participates in the technological race, but is one step ahead. It is not afraid to experiment, innovate, and expand. And while the rest of the world debates how this will affect society, China is already building a society in which robots are part of the norm. Great changes await us. And if you want to know what our tomorrow will be like, don't look at science fiction. Look at what is happening right now in Shenzhen. Because the future is already here, only it is being built in China. A few days ago, one of the most beautiful robots, called a Mira, created by Engineered Arts, a British manufacturer of humanoid robots, reappeared in public. A Mira has an incredibly realistic humanoid face, with detailed facial expressions and a very similar look to that of a person. The robot's skin is made of high-quality silicone, which gives it a natural texture. Special attention has been paid to the design of facial features, so that the robot can adequately transmit emotions and show a wide range of expressions. The facial expression system allows the robot to show emotions, smile, be surprised, show interest, and even sadness. The robot can participate in interactive conversations through pre-programmed replicas or voice synthesis, as well as recognize speech and answer questions. A Mira is ideal for use in exhibitions, museums, shopping malls, and other multi-purpose events where it is important to draw attention and interact with visitors. Lynx Dynamics engineers have equipped their TR-1 robot with a new high-tech robotic arm, considerably expanding its functions. Previously, TR-1 was already distinguished by its advanced mobility and modular design. But now, with the incorporation of the manipulator, it has become a complete platform for mobile manipulation and interaction with the environment. The robotic arm allows TR-1 to perform a wide range of tasks, from capturing and transporting objects to precise interaction with different surfaces and mechanisms. The arm has a high degree of freedom, a smooth mechanics, and a precise adjustment of force, which allows it to be used in situations that require both brute force and precision. TR-1 also admits multi-mode movement, can walk on its legs, move on wheels, and adapt to different types of surfaces. In honor of its 10th anniversary, the Chinese company Forward has presented important achievements in the field of robotics. One of the company's key achievements is the humanoid TR-1 robot, which is the result of many years of research and development. Building upon the success of TR1, the company has now introduced its more powerful sibling, the TR2. Towering at 75 centimeters in height and weighing 63 kilograms, TR2 is designed for even more advanced tasks. With 53 degrees of freedom, TR2 moves with an even higher level of dexterity and control, allowing it to handle complex tasks that require subtlety and precision. It features an extractable battery, which provides greater operational efficiency, and an enhanced manipulation system capable of intricate object handling, ideal for environments like healthcare, hospitality, and agriculture. To take this development to the next level, Real Man Robotics has launched China's first humanoid robot training complex in Shenzhen District, Beijing, a cutting-edge facility dedicated to teaching robots how to operate in human-centered environments. This isn't just a lab, it's a fully immersive, lifelike simulation of everyday life, divided into two specialized training zones. The first zone focuses on foundational learning, akin to a primary school for robots. Here, more than 100 humanoid robots undergo basic training, learning to walk, navigate varied terrain, interact with common household items, recognize human commands, and respond to emotional cues. This stage lays the groundwork for socially intelligent behavior and mechanical stability. The second zone, however, is where the true magic happens. This professional training arena is where robots are exposed to simulated real-world workplaces, hotels, supermarkets, warehouses, and even agricultural environments. Inside these lifelike settings, robots practice hotel room service, cleaning, inventory management, and agricultural tasks like fruit harvesting and plant irrigation. Kitchens, bedrooms, balconies, and fields have been built with realistic textures and conditions to mirror the unpredictability and variety of human environments. What sets this training facility apart is not just its technological sophistication, but its philosophy, teaching machines to become functional members of human society. The facility operates around the clock, using advanced motion tracking, sensory feedback systems, and continuous data analysis to improve robot behavior in real time. As the global race for humanoid robotics heats up, Real Man Robotics' TR1 and TR2, along with their pioneering training infrastructure, place China firmly at the forefront. With robots being trained not in theory, but in practical, human-replicated scenarios, we are witnessing the dawn of a new age, where robots don't just exist alongside us. They understand us, work with us, and in many cases, take over the tasks that once required a human touch. Whether it's in a hotel lobby, a warehouse floor, or a rural field, the future may very well be standing on two legs, with servo motors for muscles, artificial intelligence for brains, and training that began in the Shenzhen district. From brain-powered machines to emotion-sensitive humanoids, China is accelerating the future of robotics at a pace that's leaving the rest of the world playing catch-up. The unveiling of this hybrid robot at the Fair Plus Fair is more than a tech demo. It's a bold statement about the next generation of AI, intelligent, organic, and deeply human. As these machines become smarter, more agile, and biologically integrated, one thing is certain: the future is no longer coming. It's already here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a glimpse into tomorrow's world. Today,